This is our model, and we are going to first highlight this one. So go to camera raw, increase the clarity area and also increase the contrast and exposure. Increase the highlighted area and whitening. Then press OK, or also increase little bit sharpness. Then press OK. This one is done. Now we are going to blend the text. Just write down any text, FACE. So this one is, I write down face and just increase the size of this one. Place it where you want to place this one. Then go to blending mode and select the blend. Then duplicate this one and make this one colorize. So go to hue saturation and then colorize and take saturation 100% and increase this one. Click on mask, take a brush, now this one is doing in black and white area, and now we are going to use this same thing in color area. This one is a model image, and take again text and write down here anything such like light. Increase the size of your text, place it in perfect area and go to blending mode and set this one in overlay. Make this one duplicate and fill this one 50%. So your work is done.